Good morning, guys. You're back again. Thank you for joining me. Today is Wednesday, March 25th, 2020. We're going to begin with our math lesson. As usual, it's our warm-up. Go ahead and take a few minutes to copy down and we'll check together. Okay, all done? Very good. Let's go ahead and check this together. Number 1, 550 minus 241. Can I take 1 away from 0? No, I cannot. I need to regroup. 5 becomes a 4, 0 becomes a 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. 4 minus 4 is 0. And 5 minus 2 is 3. Final answer, 309. 309. All right, friends. Number 2, 5 times what is 50? If you wrote 5 times 10 is 50, you are correct. Then we have a fact family. If I know that 5 times 10 is 50, when I divide, how many 5s are in 50? It's the same, 10. Okay, on to our fraction. Color 1/4 of the hearts. Okay, so that means 1 out of every 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to draw a line. So I have 2 groups of 4. So I'm going to color 1 of these and 1 of these. So 1/4 of 8 equals 2. 2 hearts. Very good. Number 4, I know you probably had a question on this. We haven't talked about it before, but remember, these warm-ups are 3rd grade math. So that's why we're doing them, so we can see what we've learned and what we haven't. What is the distance from A to B called? You'll see that it is got a line, but the line is stopped on both ends, okay? If there were arrows, that would be a line, because lines go on forever and ever and ever and ever and ever. So I know that one's not it, okay? An angle looks like this. That doesn't look anything like that, so I know that's not that. A line segment, yes, is stopped at 2 points. This would be line segment AB. So line segment is the answer. A segment is just a piece, okay? Number 5, Martha made 36 rag dolls to sell. She sold half the dolls. How many dolls does she have left? Now you could do this lots of ways. Did some of you draw a picture of 36 dolls and then cut them in half? Or did some of you actually make a division problem? We haven't done this either, but some of you are, all of you are super smart. Okay, so if we divide it in half, which is 2, we go 2 goes into 3 one time. 1 times 2 is 2. Then I subtract. I bring down the 6. 2 goes into 16 8 times. Okay, 8 times 2 is 16. I have 0. Okay, so either way, if you drew a picture and broke them in half, great. Or if you could do this long division, even better. Or what if you did this? You know 36 is 30 plus 6, right? We know half of 30 is 15, and half of 6 is 3, 18. See, lots of ways to figure out the same answer. Okay, 18 dolls. Very good. All right, that makes it the end of our warm-up. We're going to go on and correct your review from yesterday. Please pull out 631 and 632 so we can check it together. Number 9, David measures a rope in centimeters. Now, if you look at this, it starts at the 5 and ends at the 21. So we have to take 21 and subtract 5 from that beginning. So our answer is 16 centimeters. That's the first choice. Number 10, Ellen is telling her sister about using a ruler. Which sentence is true? 1 foot is the same as a meter. We know that's not true because a foot is customary and a meter is metric. They don't intermix. The second answer, 1 foot is the same as 12 inches. That is true, but let's check the last answer just in case. 1 centimeter is the same as 10 meters? No way! A centimeter is that little and 100 of them make 1 meter, so no way. So our second choice was correct. 1 foot is the same as 12 inches. Number 11, use an inch ruler. I hope y'all had a ruler. If not, remember you could use your little knuckle, and it was about 4 inches. You could even look at your choices. 40 inches, you know, is way too big. 6 inches, maybe. So maybe if you used your knuckle, you could tell which one was better. And it is 4 inches. Number 12, Olivia brushes her teeth at this time each night. Clue word, night. So is night AM or PM? Remember, night would be PM because anything after 12 noon until 12 o'clock in the morning is PM. So she probably brushes her teeth before she goes to bed at night. And if I look at the clock, it says 8:05, but it's the third choice, 8:05 PM. She could brush her teeth at 8:05 AM. That would be when she woke up, but it didn't say that. It said each night. Okay, I hope you caught that clue word. Number 13, Adrian is measuring some classroom objects. Which 2 objects would have the total length of less than 9 inches? Okay, just by reasoning, I'm thinking it's probably not the paintbrush because it's pretty long. So your answer would be the colored pencil and the crayon. Last one. Adrian wants to measure the length of the real bulletin board in inches and in feet. Describe how the 2 measurements would be different. Okay, they're different because inches are small and feet are large. 12 inches and 1 foot. Why would they be different? I just told you. There would be lots of inches and fewer feet because inches are smaller. Okay, that's it. You're going to have your parents now download the Unit 4 test. You're going to take it as usual. Make sure you circle the key words. Make sure you are going super slow. Remember, they're going to bait you into answers they think that you're going to pick. So don't fall into that trap. Make sure you think about each answer and how one is better than the other. Remember, X out the bad ones right away. Okay? You're going to take the test, and then in tomorrow's lesson, I'm going to explain to you and your parents how you're going to get the answers back to me. You're not going to have them take pictures of this because there's so many pages it would take forever. But I have a fix for you, but you have to stay tuned until tomorrow. Okay? All right. Good luck.